Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best value PC builds, all under $1,000. Whether you're a gamer on a budget, need a solid system for work or school, or just getting started with PC building, stick around, we've got the perfect build for you. Let's kick things off with our entry-level gamer build designed to give you a fantastic gaming experience without breaking the bank. Featuring the powerful Ryzen 5600X. This CPU is a real workhorse. It offers 6 cores and 12 threads with a boost clock up to 4.6 GHz. This makes it perfect for 1080p gaming and even some light 1440p gaming. For the graphics card, we're going with the NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super. This card is a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. It handles 1080p gaming effortlessly and even performs well at 1440p with adjusted settings, ensuring smooth gameplay. We've included 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for most games and multitasking needs, a 500 GB NVMe SSD for fast load times and quick boot ups, and a solid B450 motherboard to tie everything together. This motherboard offers great compatibility and future upgrade options. To keep everything cool, we've chosen a reliable air cooler. This ensures your system runs smoothly without overheating. The best part, this entire build comes in under $1,000, making it an excellent value for the performance you get. It's super upgradable, so you can easily swap out the graphics card or add more RAM down the line as your needs grow. If you're starting your PC gaming journey, this entry-level gamer build is perfect for you. It offers a great balance of performance and affordability, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck. Next up, the mid-range beast, build for those who want more power for gaming or light content creation. This build is designed to offer a balance between performance and cost, making it ideal for a wide range of users. At its core is the Intel i5-12400F, a 6-core 12-thread CPU with excellent price to performance. This processor is perfect for multitasking, allowing you to run multiple applications smoothly. For the graphics card, we've chosen the AMD RX 6600 XT, which handles 1080p gaming at max settings and even 1440p with tweaks. It ensures you get a smooth and immersive gaming experience. The build includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for gaming, streaming, and even some light video editing tasks. A 1TB NVMe SSD providing fast load times and ample storage for your games, applications and files, and a solid B660 motherboard, ensuring stability and future upgrade potential. A capable air cooler keeps the system running cool, even during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. This build also comes in under $1,000, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to get the most bang for their buck. It's perfect for gaming, streaming, or video editing without breaking the bank. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or someone who needs a reliable PC for everyday tasks, this build has you covered. Our third build is the balanced build, ideal for both gaming and productivity. This setup is designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease, making it a great choice for those who need a versatile machine. The star here is the AMD Ryzen 5700G, featuring integrated graphics. This CPU is perfect for those who want a powerful processor without the need for a dedicated graphics card right away. This CPU has 8 cores, 16 threads, and a boost clock up to 4.6 GHz. It offers excellent multitasking capabilities and can handle demanding applications with ease. We've paired it with NVIDIA RTX 3060 for excellent 1080p and 1440p performance. This graphics card ensures smooth gameplay and high frame rates, making it ideal for modern gaming. The build includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, and a solid B550 motherboard. These components provide fast data access and ample storage for all your files and games. A capable air cooler ensures the system stays cool even under heavy loads. This helps maintain performance and prolongs the lifespan of your components. This balanced build is versatile and perfect for students, professionals, and gamers alike. Whether you're gaming, studying, or working, this build can handle it all with ease and efficiency. Let's crank things up with the power user build for those who demand top performance. Featuring the Intel i7 12700, this CPU has 12 cores and 20 threads with a boost clock up to 4.9 GHz. Paired with the AMD RX 6700 XT, this build is perfect for 1440p or even 4K gaming. The build includes 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD, and a high-quality Z690 motherboard. A beefy air cooler keeps everything running cool. This power user build is ideal for professionals, content creators, and gamers who need top performance. Our final build is the high-performance build for enthusiasts and hardcore gamers. At its heart is the AMD Ryzen 5900X with 12 cores and 24 threads and a boost clock up to 4.8 GHz. Paired with the NVIDIA GTX 3070, this build delivers incredible performance at 1440p and 4K. The build includes 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 2TB NVMe SSD, and a top-of-the-line X570 motherboard. A high-performance liquid cooler keeps the CPU frosty. This high-performance build is the ultimate PC for anyone who wants the best performance possible. So there you have it, folks, our top 5 best value PC builds for 2024, all under $1,000. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more awesome PC building content. Let us know in the comments which build you're most excited about, or if you have any other budget-friendly suggestions. Until next time.